Hi, my name is Steve Wiideman, and in this video I'm going to do a quick 5-minute run through of the site whichlaptop.co.uk to look for SEO or search engine optimization opportunities. One thing that you can probably start with if you're doing your own review of your own audit of your own website is start with a little checklist. This is the one that I use, and it's on Google Docs, so it allows me to collaborate with my clients and my peers. And several of the main focus criteria will be on a tab that I created called Obstacle Analysis Report, or OAR. And the videos that you'll see in this and in future videos are all available in this column here. If you go to YouTube and just do a /enterprise SEO experts, sort of a training library that I built for an agency I helped develop back in 2011. And I might have another documentation library later on, but this is where you can find these videos at this point. So starting with number 1, just kind of going through the list here. I'm going to grab as many as I can for this tutorial. I know most of them in my head, but I'm just going to go through and kind of give you my 10 cents. First thing I notice is at the title. Let's view source so you can see what I'm looking at. The title here, you can find it right here. It says laptop chargers, laptop adapters, laptop power supplies for Acer, Compaq, Dell, HP, and many more. I think that's great, except for titles don't need to have a period. And it looks like there's a couple of the words that are missing caps. Since this is the title, we probably want it to all be title case. So 2 words that could use some case and get rid of the period here. Let's look at the meta description up here at the top. I see keywords. Let's find description. There it is. Content, laptop chargers, blah 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 blah. Okay, so one thing that I noticed right away is that the homepage is repeating the exact same keywords that it's using in the homepage title within the meta description. So at a page level, you're sort of like saying this is the keyword theme of this page because you're repeating this entire phrase. And it's not very compelling except for at the end where it says next day delivery and fast delivery. So you don't, I know you're trying to get the keyword phrase in there, fast delivery and next day delivery, but you don't need to repeat the word delivery. In fact, I would even start your description with next day and fast delivery of top laptop chargers, and then jump into some of the other ways that you would describe those keywords. Otherwise, the whole phrase becomes the keyword theme, and that's a problem. As you know, Google, for the most part, we're pretty much ignore the keywords tag up here, but other meta crawlers might use it. So definitely don't get too crazy with it, but make sure that you've got content that corresponds to that particular tab. And let's continue down here. Let's take a look at some other things. So this site ideally would probably like to rank for laptop chargers as one of the top keywords. So I'm going to go out to google.com or .co.uk and let's do a search for laptop chargers. I'm based in the US, but I use the UK because it appears, and I might be wrong here, but it appears that they're targeting United Kingdom. So I went to the UK version of Google. And let's take a look at where they currently rank. I'm not seeing it here. Let me make sure I have the right URL. Which laptop? So let's do a quick search. There it is. Hey, not too bad. Made the first page for laptop chargers, and they've got a nice little breadcrumb system. So I'm sure the goal here would be to move up to the top. You're probably not going to move above Amazon because of how much authority they have as a brand. But let's see what other kind of things we can do on this page to try to improve the ranking. Right now the title says laptop chargers, laptop adapters, and laptop power supplies. Not a very clickable listing. I think there's some opportunity to improve that individual listing, make sure it's better. As a user, I hit this page and I see a broken image and it kind of scares me off. Continue going down the page. You could add video, you could add subheadings for related topics, and definitely improve this page's content. Build some more links from third-party websites and other blogs to this page, and you'd probably be doing a really good job. So from a content perspective, I think there's definitely an improvement. And let me know if you want to see more. I'll do another review of the site. I think there's definitely more to talk about. This is Steve Wiideman. Definitely take a look at this video and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.